Hello, my friends. This is me, Asarafat. Today, I want to share with you some strategy. I hope you stay with me full videos. Thank you. First, log in my account versus Tron account. Okay, my account 2885. Look, this is my account. I earned from Forces $4,927. I have 56 my direct referral. Okay, and I have X3 7 slot and I have X4 9 slot, and X3 I got 43 reinvest. And second slot I got 19 reinvest, and third slot I got 13 reinvest. Fourth slot I got 4 reinvest, and fifth slot I got 2 reinvest. If you have active slots, more active slots, then you get lifetime reinvest. Okay, if your downliners working and you can put people your downline, then you can get lifetime invest, and 2 profit you can receive your wallet, and 1 profit gone your upline. Is it? And look, my X4 have 21 reinvest first slot, and second slot 15 reinvest. Okay, 50 my referral by this slot, and 15 reinvest, and third slot 11 reinvest, 45 referral. So is it, my friend? I have 9 slot. Look, I got payment 1 to 8 slot lifetime. I got reinvest and I got profit, but this slot when complete I need buy next slot. Is it? So how can I got reinvest and I can earn? I got reinvest from my downliners and my downliners, and I got 2 X4 past 2 point gone my upline, and second 3 point received me my wallet, my Tron wallet direct. No need withdraw. I received direct it my wallet. But last one, it's gone my upline. Understand? It's gone my upline. Is it? So all slot same to same system. Okay, so how when my downliners put people, then same to same, their first 2 point gone me direct me as like upline, and next 3 point they received 1 point gone his upline as like me and my upline. Is it? So I can see my partners. Okay, my partners, my direct downliners. Look, I have 56 partners, so I want to see their earning. I can see their earning, and I can see how people they have now. First guy have 0 referral, and second guy have 0 referral, but this guy earn 400 TRX, 0 referral, but he can earn. My friend, look, 0 referral you can earn from Forces matrix, X4 matrix. Is it possible? But you can earn, and people can earn 0 referral, but it's not guaranteed, because Forces not investment company. Is it's a network marketing business. So MLM business like, but not MLM business. It's a matrix system. So everyone can get profit, but you need work. When you can work, when you can start work, you spend time this platform. So then you can earn huge money. Understand? Otherwise, you if you think I can't earn, I can't upgrade slot, you never can earn. Okay, so look, this guy already $60 earned. He have 3 referral. This guy have 5 slot. He earn $159 zero referral. So is it, my friend? Zero referral you can earn. Forces told us zero referral you can earn. Forces matrix, you export matrix we can earn from zero referral, but it's have limitation. You can earn huge. You never earn huge money from zero referral, but if you buy more slot, then you can earn huge money. But our suggestion, must start work. When you join this platform, must start your work, your own business. And this guy have 2 guy and 48 USD is good, and 1 guy 11 is good. I hope this guy very soon can earn very better, and 3 guy 88 USD and good. Yes, zero referral they can earn. So is it, my friends? Everyone can earn 10 referral, 4 referral, 0 referral. They can't earn because he have no more slot. If he want to earn 0 referral, he need minimum 5 to 7 slot, then 7 or 8 slot, then he can earn. Look, he have 1/3 slot. He earned 0 referral, and he have 9 referral. He earned and he have 5 referral. He earned good money. So is it? And he have 0 referral. He can earn. Okay. So my friend, look, this guy earned $220, 19 referral. This guy earned 11 referral, $449. So this guy earned 449 USD only 12 days. Forces Tron launched 12 days ago. Okay, this guy earned 449 USD. So just think it. He have only a mobile. He have only internet. He earned from his smartphone. He earned from Forces Matrix. So my recommended everyone, when you join Forces, you must know about Forces. You must know overall. You must know Forces PDF presentation is your success key. Is your Forces key successful key. So if you understand this PDF presentation, if you understand everything Forces website, understand, then you can earn huge money. That's it. How? When you put people, you refer a downliner, then you can explain it. Same to me, you can explain it. Your language, you can explain it. Then everyone, if follow your rules, everyone follow the system, then everyone earn. Some people can't earn. Look, some people can't earn because they don't know how does Forces work. Look, this guy 4175, he joined, but he don't earn because he don't know how does Forces work. He don't know how to start this business. He just joined. Lots of people just join Forces, but they can't earn because they don't know good strategy. They don't know better strategy. So is it, my friend? If you join Forces, you must follow rules. You must follow works. How does you work? How can you start business? Then you can earn huge money. So if you think I join Forces, I join Forces, a good upliner, downline, he can help me. Yes, he can help you, but he never help you lifetime. Forces your business, your own business. You can use this business your lifetime, or you can use this business. So is it, my friend? If you think your upliner help you So it's not good thing, but your upliner take you can upliner support your upliner everything you can get suggestion from your upliner, is it? But getting referral is your own business. If you get people your downline, then you get profit your wallet. So is it? So my friend, instead it's your own business, then you can earn. So work for you, just it my recommended work for you. So is it, my friend? This guy 3975 3975, this guy have 90 people, and he can put people and he buy slot. My friend, when you put people, you need must follow your slot, you need must see your slot. If your slot complete, you need must buy next slot, otherwise you get missed profit your last slot. So is it, my friend? You need must put people your downline and put and buy slots, is it? So and follow next this guy earned 7 referral, he earned 740 USD, double salary, real life double salary, triple salary. So is it, my friend? Everyone can earn good from horses if they work continue. My recommended. He earned 178 USD and he have 8 downline. Good. So is it, my friend? Join forces, follow strategy, follow forces accounts who earn better. Follow forces account downliners. Look my downliners. How can I explain my downliners? Same to same. When you join forces, when you start this business, you need to follow follow forces partners, follow good earning ID partners. Then you understand better. So is it, my friend? When you join forces, you need to understand full forces main page. Understand fully A to Z. How does X3 work? How does X4 work? How to gone where gone reinvest profit, where gone upliner export invest profit, upliner profit, what is slot 2, when I need buy slot 2, when I need buy slot 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8. Is it, my friend? So when you start this business, you must know overall, then you can earn. My friend, when I start this business, I can't earn good money first 10 days. I can't earn. I work, but I can't earn. I work million money project. I work versus Ethereum project, and I work now versus Strong project. Million money. I never earn million money. But 7 days I work million money. I work, but I can't earn from million money. But then I joined Forces Ethereum. Past 10 days I can't earn from Forces Ethereum. Last 10 days gone, then my earning start from Forces Ethereum. Then Forces Tron last 12 days ago, Forces Tron launch, and I earned from Forces Tron good. So I have a good result now at this time. So my friend, when you join forces, if you knew this business, this platform, my friend, you need to wait, you need work continue, you need to struggle, you need follow business rule, you need to join Zoom meeting, you need follow forces YouTube channel, you need follow forces Telegram group. If you have any question, you can ask forces admins support. You can connect them if you have any question. So my friend, then you can earn, then you can understand better this business. So easy. And my friend, when I join forces, I have lots of questions. When I join forces Ethereum, I have lots of questions. How does spillover works? How does overflow works? Higher gone overflow? How can I get spillover? I just think, is it possible? Zero referral I can earn? I have more questions. So first 1 week I researched about forces. last 4 months ago. I recharged about forces. I told for forces support. I asked question forces support admins group forces international group support admins. Then I got my answer. Then I understand. Past 7 days I understand. I need minimum 7 days understand this platform. Then I start. I can understand. Then I start my business. My first referral, Drabo from Italy. I got referral from Italy. I live in Bangladesh, but I got referral from Italy. Then I got referral from Nigeria and other countries, Malaysia, Indonesia, and I got referral from another other countries, my countries. It is. So is it, my friend? When you start business, you need to struggle, you need to understand. If you understand better, if you if you complete your skill, then you can earn huge money from this platform. So is it, my friend? My recommended, please know, understand better Forces platform, then start your marketing, then follow Forces rules, and put people your downline and told them how to start Forces and how can they earn. Just it. If they follow your rules, they can earn huge money. You can earn huge money. I can earn huge money if you join my downline. Just it. So is it, my friend? Thank you for stay with me. And if you need more strategy, you can follow my old video, my channel, other videos. So is it? Thank you for stay with me. That's it. Thank you.